Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming essentials: your legal business name, a contact phone, and a domain if you have one. Once done, choose whether Google Workspace fits your needs versus a standard Google account. Workspace gives company email and admin tools. Make sure to have an alternate recovery email and a strong, unique password ready. This speeds setup and protects your account. Now open accounts. Google.com or the Google Workspace sign up. Follow prompts to start creating your business identity and primary administrator user. You enter company details and create the admin username that will manage users and services. Enter billing info if using Workspace. Next, verify your domain ownership. Use DNS-TXT or CNAME verification for fastest results, or upload the HTML file if DNS access is limited. Once the domain is verified, create your team accounts and assign roles. This organizes access. Also configure two-step verification for admins to prevent unauthorized changes. These steps lock an identity and enable core servers. You finalize setup by updating MX records so email flows to Google servers. Make sure old MX entries are removed and priorities match Google's values. Then test by signing into the admin console, sending and receiving email from a user account, and confirming mobile sync. If something goes wrong, first check DNS propagation, wait up to 48 hours, and verify MX and TXT entries are exact. If problems persist, enable logging and contact Google support. Keep screenshots and error messages.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.